Hey, what's going on, guys? Jim here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in America, Florida, but today it's the last day. I'm going home tomorrow. So all my friends back in Ireland at the moment. I don't know what time it is, and yeah. So today I have a toy I'm going to be unboxing for you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get into this. So it's this Hot Wheels. It's like a truck, Turbo Beast, and yeah, so let's unbox this. It's a bit hard. So here it is. The view of it driving. And yeah, so it's really cool. So you can actually fit a car into it. You can see right there, space for a car. And you have this beautiful like front, golden. 62 it says actually. $62 again. And there's another 62 right there. And don't know what that is. TB2 I think. Turbo 2 I think. But you guys comment in the comment section below what you think it is, because I have no idea what it means. So what about we do a house tour? Yeah. So we're in my room at the moment. One bed, two bed. My bed is this one. That's Luke's bed. I know we're sharing room. It's I think it's monitor there. It's 70 degrees at the moment. I know, boiling. Oh, and here's my new school bottle. Might be my new school bottle, okay? So urine and stuff. It might not be my school bottle. Good chance it might be, okay? Oh, that was nice. Okay. Oh, and yeah. I have this thing that I got from my best friend, Kuba. No, I'm not going to show you because Kuba might be watching. And okay. Turn this off. Kuba might be watching, and that's all. Okay. There's my mom and dad's room. I don't think you're able to see that. There's outside, so I just can't see. GoPro's a bit heavy. That's why I have it on the floor all the time. So, coming down the stairs.
Hey, make a YouTube channel.
We come out to the pool. There's the door there. There's the pool. Very warm outside. And yeah, this is our house. I'm sharing the house with my neighbors. Crazy. My cousin. Let's go back upstairs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications so you'll be notified every time I make a video. And I'll see you guys all next time. Bye. I'm gonna go play with this. Bye.